the crowded droma hair. His heart hung all upon a silken dress, and he had known at last some tenderness, before earth took him to her stony care. But when a man poured fish into a pile, it seemed they raised their little silver heads, and sang what gold morning or evening sheds upon a woven world forgotten isle. Where people love beside the ravelled seas, the time can never mar a lover's vows, under that woven changeless roof of boughs. The singing shook him out of his new ease. He wandered by the sands of Lissadell. His mind ran all on money, cares and fears, and he had known at last some prudent years, before they heaped his grave under the hill. But while he passed before a plashy place, a lugworm with its grey and muddy mouth out sang that somewhere to north or west or south there dwelt a gay, exulting, gentle race, under the golden or the silver skies, that if a dancer stayed his hungry foot, it seemed the sun and moon were in the fruit, and at that singing he was no more wise. He mused beside the well of Scanavin. He mused upon his mockers without fail. His sudden vengeance were a country tale. When earthy night had drunk his body in, but one small knot grass growing by the pool sang where a necessary cruel voice. Old silence bids its chosen race rejoice. Whatever reveled waters rise and fall, or stormy silver fret the gold of day, and midnight there enfold them like a fleece, and lover there by lover be at peace. The tale drove his fine angry mood away. He slept under the hill of Lugnagal, and might have known at last unhaunted sleep, under that cold and vapor turban steep. Now that the earth had taken man and all, did not the worms that spired about his bones proclaim with that unwearied reedy cry that God has laid his fingers on the sky, that from those fingers glittering summer runs upon the dancer by the dreamless wave? Why should those lovers that no lovers miss dream until God burn nature with a kiss? The man has found no comfort in the grave.